Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I won't waste a lot of time because I am in public and it takes a lot of guts to, record in public and speak nonsense, continue. And also, I'm a lot sweaty, so thoda conscious bhi hu. I'm gonna take my first break. Okay, so today's video is about there are days when you are very upset and you don't know what to do and you just don't feel like moving or doing anything. I am going through one of those days and I am gonna take a lot of breaks because there are people and I got get conscious, but I'm trying my best. And okay, so the best thing that I do when I don't know what to do is go for a run, go for a walk. And trust me when I say this, recording this video, it took me 6 rounds to decide that I'm gonna sit on this chair and start recording. And maybe I won't record every entire A to Z part of the video here because yeah, I'm getting conscious to share the point of view that I have in my mind. I wanted to, record something from here because this is a park that I genuinely love and I just come here for walk every now and then whenever I feel lost. And there's something special about this park, which is that there are continuously aeroplanes flying, and it's a habit now that I just guess which color of aeroplane is gonna go. And when my guess matches the reality, it's the best thing. It's like, uh, guessing something and guessing it right. There are days when I guess 5 out of 5 correct colors of the aeroplane. It's a very silly thing, but still I just enjoy doing that. It's the favorite pastime while running. There's no thought in my mind and I don't even have to worry about कि correct होगा या नहीं होगा. I'll talk about this more when I maybe reach a place where it is more quiet, not quiet, but the point which is I'm trying to say is here. So अब मैं जा रही हूँ घर. मेरा हो गया काफ़ी वॉक. 45 minutes गुड फास्ट वॉकिंग सेशन जो कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है. एंड अभी I'm gonna see कि अगर मुझे कोई स्पॉट मिलता है बैठ के थोड़ा रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए नहीं, बिकॉज आई हैव अ फ्यू पॉइंट्स दैट आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू ऑल. सो लेट मी ट्राई माई लक. Without a further ado, I'm gonna start recording. And I think I have found a spot जहाँ पे there won't be anyone bothering me. People will be still walking. There might be background noise a bit, but yeah, I think this is a nice spot. So yeah, the first point that I wanted to share is sometimes you are so much into your thoughts, ऐसे एकदम भागम भागम से दिमाग दिमाग कंटिन्यू चलता रहता है. इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग और मे बी बिकॉज यू आर अपसेट अबाउट एनीथिंग or there's a continuous thought which is running constantly one after the other, and there are series of thoughts. So ना कभी कभार ऐसे होता है कि sometimes these thoughts are at night, but okay, रात में तो कहीं भाग के से दौड़ने जा नहीं सकते. But sometimes na in the daytime also, uh, you get too much into your thoughts, which is not healthy for your mental health first. After that, for your mental health you need to keep in check your physical health, which is very very important. Because क्या होता है कि हमारा माइंड कंटिन्यूसली चेस करता रहता है, कंटिन्यूसली वन थॉट आफ्टर द अदर. एक थॉट के बाद दूसरा, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा, कंटिन्यू थॉट्स 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 थॉट्स. लेट्स सी इफ यू कैन सी द एरोप्लेन. नो. ओके. सो हाँ, ये यहाँ दिस पार्क देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ एरोप्लेन्स. मतलब हर 5-5 मिनट में देर इज़ अनदर there's a aeroplane which crosses by. So yeah, my point for keeping a healthy mind is when you are not moving and your thoughts are moving too quickly, एक के बाद दूसरा, then it's a sign that you need to start walking or start moving at least. Walk, मतलब for me personally, working out gets very boring because I don't like to work out as much as I like to walk or run. रन भी नहीं, मतलब फास्ट वॉक करती हूँ मैं, एंड इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई कैन डू व्हेन माय माइंड इज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली, मतलब आई एम वन ऑफ द ओवर थिंकर्स जो दिन में भी काम करते करते भी इतना ओवर थिंक कर सकता है, विच फॉर विच यू डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया. सो एन ओवर थिंकर लाइक मी, द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू इज़ वॉक, बिकॉज वॉक करने के बाद it is just so peaceful because half of my energy is into walking and other things which keeps me busy. तो मेरा ध्यान जितना वो थॉट्स पे जाने वाला रहता है उतना नहीं जाता. एंड समटाइम्स वॉक करते करते व्हेन यू ऑब्जर्व अ फ्यू थिंग्स अराउंड यू, तुम्हारा माइंड डाइवर्ट हो जाता है. सेकेंड थिंग, माइंड डाइवर्ट होने के साथ साथ व्हेन यू गो आउट इन अ पब्लिक प्लेस एंड देन वॉक, तो तुम्हारा माइंड डाइवर्ट होता है. एंड समटाइम्स वाइल वॉकिंग ना, यू ऑल्सो गेट द आंसर्स दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, क्योंकि तुम वो सेम स्पेस में बहुत टाइम से रहते हो. सो तुमको वही थॉट कंटिन्यूसली, मतलब देयर इज़ नो न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव टू your question, so you start questioning a lot of things one after the other. But when you go out and look around and see new stuff which you're not used to, तो उस टाइम पे it's very easy to find answers which are not that easily can be found at a place where you are 24/7 like home. That's about it, and that's all that I wanted to share. So with this, keep yourself hydrated because it's peak summer. कौवा भी काय काय कर रहा है. But anyway, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, tata, see you.